Welcome back to the Global Lux Homes. Today, we've arrived in the heart of luxury, in the most exclusive enclave of La Zagaleta, Marbella, Spain, to explore a jaw-dropping mega mansion listed at 34 million euros. From sweeping Mediterranean views to ultra-premium amenities, this place is in a league of its own. Let's step inside and take a full tour of this spectacular home. The estate sits atop one of Marbella's most prized hillsides, offering sweeping views of the Mediterranean Sea and the countryside beyond. The gated entrance ensures total privacy, a must in this kind of neighborhood. Lush landscaping surrounds the grounds, and you'll immediately notice the sheer scale of the property's footprint. Terraced gardens, expansive outdoor lounges, and a stunning infinity pool that seems to float above the horizon. Walking around the exterior, you'll see how the architecture plays with light and shadow. Large overhangs, full-height glazing, and materials chosen to reflect the Andalusian sunshine. This is more than a house, it's a statement in one of the most secure and exclusive communities in Europe. As we step through the grand entrance, you're greeted by a double-height foyer with dramatic suspended lighting and a sculptural staircase. Immediately to your right is the main living room. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic sea views, and the space flows seamlessly into an open-plan kitchen and casual lounge area. The kitchen is ultra-high-end, with bespoke cabinetry, marble countertops, professional-grade appliances, and a central island that invites gathering. The adjacent dining room is formal yet inviting, perfect for dinner parties where the view becomes part of the experience. Throughout these spaces, the connection to the outdoors is key. Sliding glass doors open to terraces and the pool deck, making indoor-outdoor living effortless. Moving into the private zone of the home, the primary suite defines luxury living. You'll find an oversized bedroom with a sitting area, private terrace overlooking the sea, and a wardrobe fit for a boutique. Then there's the spa-style ensuite bathroom, with dual vanities, deep soaking tub, rain shower, and premium materials, marble, wood veneer, and polished metal accents. Guest bedrooms are equally refined, each with ensuite bathrooms and terraces. Every room is designed with the same attention to detail, custom joinery, ambient lighting, and direct views. Whether you're staying in or hosting visitors, the level of comfort and design is exceptional. Now for the showstopper, the amenities. This mega mansion doesn't just push the bar, it redefines it. There's a dedicated home cinema with tiered seating and acoustic treatment, a full gym with top-tier equipment and views through large windows. If the home includes an indoor pool or spa, that's a whole wellness wing. Parking is worthy of a supercar collection. Think multi-car garage, display bays, high-end finishes. Outdoors, the entertainment zone is built for summer evenings, alfresco kitchen and dining, lounge pods by the fire pit, and that infinity pool that invites you to linger well past sunset. This is a lifestyle where everything is curated for relaxation, luxury, and a sense of escape. The architecture is bold and timeless. Clean lines, minimalist yet warm materials, large glazed surfaces, and subtle indoor-outdoor transitions. The facade is sculpted to catch light in different ways throughout the day, creating dynamic shadows and richness. Inside, surfaces are unified yet layered. Marble floors, warm wood panels, bespoke light fittings, and large art-friendly walls. Everything is engineered for comfort and aesthetic impact, hidden climate control, premium finishes, smart home integration. When the architecture, design, and luxury amenities all align, you get a home that delivers on both form and function. Let's go back outside and soak in the real reason you buy a property like this, the view. Whether it's basking in the morning light with a coffee or enjoying the golden hour over the sea with a glass of wine, this home offers a front-row seat to nature's show. The terrace runs almost the full length of the building, allowing each major room to step outside.
The pool reflects the sky, and there are multiple zones for lounging, dining, and entertaining. The landscaping is discreet but lush. Olive trees, citrus, native plants, creating a serene frame around the architecture. This kind of outdoor experience is rare. It doesn't feel like you're just outside, it feels like you're part of the landscape. So, what does 34 million euros buy you in one of the world's most